Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we see how to draw knuckle joint in AutoCAD 2021. Now come to the tutorial section. First of all, we all know that first select the coordinate system, and we all know that in AutoCAD there are two types of coordinate system. We have first of all, here is the option. You have to choose the coordinate option WCS and UCS. WCS means the world coordinate system, and UCS means the user coordinate system. Okay, we have to choose world coordinate system. Okay, then this is the top view. This is the top view of the knuckle joint. First of all, you have to select the line. Okay, and you have also select the command, write the command in this command box, L for line command, then select line. Okay, wait, line for line command. Okay, you have first of all in this you see there is the shaft portion. There is a shaft portion. For what we have to do in that, first of all you have to select the dimension from here to here. This is approximate 200 mm distance. Okay, then you have to select the this point is approx this point is approx with this point is approx also 200 same. This is the horizontal point, and this is the vertical point. The dimension of the vertical point you see 40 mm on both side, here this side and this side also. After that you have to draw the circle between the shaft. You have if you have to check if you if you have to check the time. Now come to the circle portion. There are total one two three circles in the on side between this shaft. Actually this is the knuckle joint na, that's why we are coinciding the circle between the shaft. This is the actually first we have to give the dimension of the circle. This circle is the 60 diameter of the circle is 60 mm, this 40 mm, and this one is 19 something 20 mm, and this one is 8, and upper one is. Now after that first you have to split the shaft with the line command. Then after that dimensions you have to create one line. The dimension of this line is approximate, I just give the dimension. This one from this one is 25 mm. Okay, this side also 25 mm. If you don't want to draw the line from both the side, then the mirror command is the best command. For that you have to select this portion, then mirror about this portion, and the other line from this side line is already created in this side. Then you have to go arc, 3-point arc, then select from the midpoint and this. Okay, no, this one from midpoint, this one, this one is approx 6 mm diameter semicircle, and this is also 6 mm. Then this is the hatching, it's called hatching. Okay, this side also hatching. Then